SKYX stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Which this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So what I'm looking at SKYX here is a price action that's interesting, but not yet a buy immediately for me. So I saw the first break and even the price coming down into a demand zone to mitigate it. This long side, it's only going to make sense if I see a proper double break. Right, I'm not saying this is like a forever bullish thing, like a very long time, higher time frame, no. But if like short term here, if I see a double break, I'm looking for longs. And then obviously we have the managing the trade game, which is obviously far more rewarding in my eyes. But the key here is that if I don't see a confirmation, I'm moving forward to buy. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.